Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G24 Power with ultra premium design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, 537 nits peak brightness, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.49 by 74.53 by 8.99 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. The color options: ink blue, glacier blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 30-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, USB Type-C charging port, water repellent, designed for water protection, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G24 Power has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, and around $110, and expected 30,499 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, and around $120, and expected 33,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G24 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.